class. Today I will talk about how can you disable Meitu notifications on your Meitu app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on system accesses management. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to enter with you here in this list. Click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click on notifications. You come to next step here, click on notification categories. You come to Meitu here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here Meitu notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.